Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize home screen pages in iOS 18. So you will have to make sure your iPhone has been updated to the latest version of iOS 18, and you will have to just hold it your home screen. At the top left corner you will see the edit option, so just tap on it. There is the three options, so you will just choose this second one option is customize. You can just tap on it. So from here you will see there is a light, dark mode, light mode, automatic, and tinted. So from here you can just adjust the colors, and you can just set the temperature. So you can, when you tap on this large option, so this app's font will be large size. So if you want to just small it, you can just tap on small. So this is in iOS 18 version, so it's very cool looks. So when I was tap on large, so you will see my fonts apps are large. Video help you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.